Hey everyone, it's Yensum. Today we're talking about your baby's very first water adventure. Introducing your little one to water is a huge milestone. Safety and comfort are key. Let's go over some tips to make it a splash-tastic success. Are you ready to make some waves? Let's get started. First things first, we need to pick the perfect time and place for this big adventure. Think about your baby's schedule. When are they usually happiest and most relaxed? Maybe it's after their morning nap or right after a good feeding. We want them to be in a good mood for their first splash. Also, think about the weather. A warm, sunny day is ideal, but not too hot. We don't want our little ones getting overheated. Now let's talk location. If you're going to a pool, look for one with a special area just for babies, a nice shallow section where they can get used to the water gradually. And always check that the pool is clean and well maintained. If you're heading to the beach, find a spot with calm water, no big waves crashing in. We want it to be as peaceful and relaxing as possible. One more tip, try to avoid crowded times. A quieter environment will be much less overwhelming for your little swimmer. Less noise, less chaos, more fun. Imagine being a tiny baby and seeing this giant body of water for the first time. It can be a little scary. So, we need to introduce them to the water slowly. Start by holding them close and letting them dip their toes in. Let them feel the water, splash it a little. Talk to them, smile, reassure them. Once they seem comfortable, you can lower them into the water a bit more. If they seem happy and relaxed, keep going. But if they get fussy, take a break. Remember, this is supposed to be fun. Let's talk about swim gear. First, a swim diaper. It prevents accidents in the water. Ensure it fits snugly. Next, a cute swimsuit. Look for UV protection for outdoor swims. Arm floaties or a swim float add security, but always supervise your baby. Stay within arm's reach. Never leave them unattended. Ensure the gear is comfortable. Avoid itchy tags or tight straps. Babies have super sensitive skin, so sun protection is a must. Even on cloudy days, those harmful UV rays can still get through. Use baby-safe sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Cover all exposed skin, including ears and neck. Reapply every 2 hours, especially after water. A wide-brimmed hat and rash guard help too. Let's keep those little ones safe and protected. Babies can't regulate their body temperature like adults, so the water must be just right. Not too hot, not too cold. For pools, aim for 85 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. If it feels cool to you, it's too cold for your baby. Test the temperature yourself before putting your baby in. Dip your elbow in to get a good feel. If they seem cold, wrap them in a warm towel. Remember, babies can get tired easily, so keep the water sessions short and sweet, especially at first. Start with just 10 or 15 minutes and gradually increase the time as they get more comfortable. Pay close attention to your baby's cues. Are they yawning? Are they getting fussy? Are they looking away from the water? These are all signs that they might be ready for a break. Don't push it. It's better to have several short, happy sessions than one long, exhausting one. Think of it like playtime. Short bursts of fun are perfect for little ones. Let's make this a fun experience. Bring along some water-safe toys like rubber duckies or soft squirty toys. Sing songs, splash gently, play peekaboo by dipping their little feet in the water. Make silly faces, blow bubbles, anything to make them giggle and smile. The more fun they have, the more they'll associate water with positive feelings. And that will help them build confidence in the water as they grow. Safety is the most important thing when babies are near water. Even shallow water can be dangerous for infants, so constant supervision is absolutely essential. Always keep your baby within arm's reach, whether you're at the pool, the beach, or even the bathtub. Don't get distracted by your phone or anything else. Your full attention needs to be on your little one. It only takes a few seconds for an accident to happen, so stay close, stay alert, and stay focused. And if you haven't already, consider taking a baby CPR class. It's a great skill to have, just in case. After all the splashing and playing, it's time to rinse and dry. Rinse off any chlorine or salt water with fresh water. This helps prevent skin irritation. Pat their skin dry, paying attention to folds and creases. Dress them in dry, comfortable clothes. A little after swim care keeps their skin happy and healthy. Playing in the water can make babies thirsty, so keep them hydrated. Offer breast milk, formula, or water before and after their water adventure. This helps replace lost fluids. Watch for signs of dehydration like fewer wet diapers or dry lips. Keep those sippy cups filled and those little bellies happy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more baby tips. See you next time. So there you have it, folks. 10 essential tips for your baby's first water adventure. From sun protection to water safety, taking care of the little details will ensure that your baby's first water adventure is both fun and safe. Remember, it's all about creating positive experiences that will help your little one develop a lifelong love for the water. Who knows? The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more baby tips and adventures. See you next time.